We've been calling this asshole for 2 months. He does not answer his phone. He does not bother returning my calls because what did he say? I'm full up. Rarely do I take a sick day. And that's because I understand how important this work is to you, my client. If I'm able to drag my ass into this office, put a hot washcloth on my head and make the calls, I will make the calls. If I'm traveling, we're going to get on the phone for business or pleasure. Usually it's both. Don't forget, what I do is unique in the universe. There is no other individual who can do this for you or will. Maybe a realtor, but they don't do the thing that I do because they don't understand the laundry business the way that I do. I'm not complaining. I'm not bitching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And let me say this. If you bring me on board, I'm going to give you my level best. I'm not a motivational speaker. You'll see when we consult on the phone. I'm not here to say, pay me. Let's get to work. Go, 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 go. I don't do that. I'm not a counselor. I'm not here to talk about your feelings and how it relates to how long it takes to do this. Sometimes it's 6 months before a landlord or their agent even picks up the phone. So you have to be prepared for that. We're not calling the local hardware store and finding out the hours of operation and see if they have the nuts and bolts we are looking for. This is a different animal. Let's call in Colorado and see what we can see.
Well, this is Kirill.
Kirill.
Hello? Yes.
Kirill, my name is, hi there. My name is Danny. I'm calling on some commercial space here in Denver. I'm interested in renting it from you. I believe this is your building over here on Mississippi.
Mississippi, I don't think we have any openings
Well,
right now. Which units?
I'm interested in the suite with the laundromat, believe it or not. That's what I do, Kirill. I've been in laundries for 20 some years. I'm always looking for stores that have infrastructure. And yeah, you've got a tenant. I assume you don't run the laundry, right?
No, it's a tenant.
Tenant, good. Well, call this an introduction. I've built my empire of over 30 stores doing exactly this. I go in, I physically scout the laundry. When I see some room for improvement, to put it politely, I want to reach out to the landlord, i.e. you, put you on notice. If and when they give up the ghost, I'm interested in talking terms with you, and then I'm going to renew it. I'm going to put new equipment in. Not flip it, not sell it. I'm not a broker or an agent. I'm looking to build more very successful laundries.
Do me a favor. We actually may have something for you right now at different locations. But
Nice.
do me a favor. Text me your name and contact.
Yeah.
And I will text you the address back.
Good.
We have a laundromat that's not in operation right now, but was operational.
Well, look
and
at that. Right, might just work out. I'll try to beat you up on the rent. And I was saying, I'll spend $500-600 grand on washers and dryers, but I won't spend the money on the purchase of the failed business, or, God forbid, build one from scratch. It sounds like you get it. Sounds like you're at lunch. I appreciate your picking up. All right, good. Enjoy lunch.
It was a what do you call a fairly busy walk. Very walkable locations.
Look at you, Kirill. You're trying to sell me on it. I'm already sold. And it's a laundromat, former laundry, not a dry cleaner or a car wash, a laundromat, right?
No, laundromat.
Good.
No coin operated.
All right. Good. I'll text you my full contact
me your,
and hit me back. Merry New Year.
Okay,
Thanks.
sounds good.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
We've been calling this asshole for 2 months. He does not answer his phone. He does not bother returning my calls because what did he say? I'm full up. But I think you understand. Yep. Our modus operandi is very simple, and I can't call landlords and say, hi, give me your laundromat, because they won't return the call. So we do it this way. Here he was at lunch. He might not have even looked at his phone. He just, boop, answers the phone. I do my talky talk. Now, I'm not going to rely on him to text me the info. I want to at least get the streets, the cross streets, so you can go scout it out. You probably already know where it is. Is it Denver? I don't know. Is it Aurora? Maybe. Who knows? But you can probably locate it with at least that. I don't want to be pushy. I don't have any reputation for being pushy. It has to be relaxed because we're interested in leasing it if and when the time comes. So I'm going to text him my info. Right. If and when he writes back the address, fantastic, but at least you've got cross streets to go check out. When you do so, put it in the notes here, and if I don't die of the flu and my 102 temperature, we'll get this thing done. Appreciate you.
Oh, dear God.
Appreciate you, Denny. Get well soon.
All right, thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Good.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.